This is a Bionaire Commander fan. They are pretty decent, 1-year-old from Costco, I believe, about 50 or 60 bucks. It's got nice controls right here, but it broke, it doesn't work, so I removed it from the base, from the pedestal, and I digged through the power supply, removed the board, unplugged these three, and I looked on the board to see whether I can spot some puffed up capacitors or any kind of problem. And I found in this one that the two powered diodes, I think they are 5 amps, these ones here, let me just hold it, I'm trying to film and hold at the same time. These two diodes, one is right here, and the other one is right here, that they have extra thick pins, as you can see. And also I noticed that the entire board is wave soldered, which means that there's no hand soldering anywhere. Everything is done automatically in a solder bath. Now the result of soldering in solder bath is usually very good. If you don't have extra large pins, like these two diodes, this one and the other one have, and the extra large pins require more temperature and more time to be soldered correctly. So I noticed that some of the pins did not have a good connection, so I resoldered on this side, and just point it out again with the probe, just a moment. So I did resolder this pin right here, this one, and this one, and that one. I also did resolder the transformer pins, because sometimes they tend to become cold solders or loose and have a bad connection. Another another element to look at is this control transistor for this fan speed, the one on the heatsink, and these 3 pins could be resoldered. So when you do that, check out and see how it works. Now this thing has been temporarily reconnected to the board. If you do anything like it, you have to be very careful, because all the voltages on that board, the green board, are high voltages. They could kill you potentially. And I'm going to just test. There you go. And the fan's working. All the controls. Let's see if we can control the speed. There you go. There's the LEDs on the speed. Maybe this way. Okay, everything works. It's gonna be put together. So I hope it helps you. But be careful, the voltages are very dangerous. Know what you're doing. And also you have to have soldering skills. You cannot learn how to solder fixing it, okay? You have to know. If you don't, ask someone who does, and don't try to fix it if you don't know how to solder or how to handle electricity safely. That's all.